to do an activity with you. I am going to show you how to make a paintbrush using household stuff, and today I have angel hair pasta, or you can use spaghetti noodles or the long linguine noodles, whatever you have available, but you don't need very much. You just need a little tiny bit, just like a pinch, just that much. And you just, I have a little string, but you can use shoelaces or a hair tie, or if you have your husband's zip ties or what you have available at home, just to tie them all together. I'm going to tie them together really fast for you. And you need them to be pretty tight so that they don't fall apart. And I'm going to do it a double knot just to make sure it stays really, really good. Just like so. So then after you tie them, you stick them into boiling water. You don't want the whole thing in there. We're just going to do the tips. This is super hot, so make sure your kids don't touch the stove. And while they're in there, it's just going to take a few minutes for it to get super, super soft. And my water was already boiling, so it's not going to take long at all for my noodles to get soft. And after that, you can just, not all of them are quite done yet. You just kind of want to make sure that they're super soft. I'm going to turn my stove off. So now you just I'm going to place it on the counter for it to dry. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use them to paint with. And I hope you can try this at home with your little kids.